Guys, welcome to my channel and how to download the driver of Gigabyte. So first you have to come to this site gigabyte.com and then search and then enter your model number of your motherboard which is downloaded and then hit enter B86 D2H. Click on the product, click off the title here, then click to support. Then select operating system, Windows 10 and 11. So select any because the installation process is same. VGA driver, click to download. So guys, then double click to launch. Then click to yes. Now this is extract. So this is installing. And this is close, means this is installed. And then close.